Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm a co-founder of an 8-figure brand, and we've been using Gorilla ROI for over 4 years now. We currently sell on Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart. So working in a small team, it's really important to be able to execute quickly, and data is the center of all decisions. Getting the data, just finding the data and compiling it is critical because it takes a lot of time. If that's done for you automatically, it's really easy to take that and then use your time to then think about what needs to be done instead of what data you need to get. So before we were using Gorilla ROI, we were in business for around 3 years. A lot of the things we did were manual, a lot of different tools here and there to do small little things. But once we switched to Gorilla ROI, everything became a little more automated, helped us solve a lot of problems and automate a lot of things. When we were first deciding on what to use for our data, there were a lot of different options, and we decided on Gorilla ROI because of the maturity of the product and the maturity of the extension in Google Sheets made everything very simple. We really liked the consistent data that Gorilla ROI was able to give us. It made everything simple. It made everything very easy to add to our existing spreadsheets, update new spreadsheets, make new trackers, and really be able to get information on a timely manner from the platforms, Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart, straight to us in our meetings. And then we can look at it and make quick decisions. Gorilla ROI really is the cornerstone for data and decisions for our business, and we wouldn't be able to operate without it.